think we are live from the CNC room.
You beat me to it. 1 second before me. Yes, we're live.
Ludwig just flipped up a monitor from his pocket from out of nowhere. This is a wizard right here.
So we can see you from here as well. No.
This is Ludwig, which is the owner of the studio that I moved to, and Ludwig is a MVP of this operation in the background. And today Ludwig is going to teach me how to use my own CNC machine. And because we got this a few months back and I was doing mostly CAD work, but Ludwig has been setting this whole machine up, which is a lot of work. Perhaps it was easy, I don't know.
It was quite easy, but it was also very fun, so it made it easier.
Nice. And so Ludwig has been working with it, and it's been giving really good results.
Yeah, it's an amazing machine, actually.
Nice. And but it's the first time for me. I love working with CNC machines, so today Ludwig is going to show me and you the ropes, and we have a special design that we're going to do. I also want to thank Watson for sponsoring the marketing project with the machine. So let's get right into it, Hannes, shall we?
Yeah, I'm just gonna change. Look at that. We have multiple cameras in the CNC room as well. My goodness. And it's moving and everything. It's tracking, Martin.
It will.
Look at that. That is crazy. Welcome everyone to this extremely high-tech live stream.
So we are gonna start making a Watson.
Yeah, a
Wilson on the Watson. So basically, I guess that Watson is the mother now of, will be the mother of Wilson.
Yes.
But I'm going to bring some of the tools that we have, so that we can discuss a little bit of what tools to use for this this setup.
Yeah, and later when we cut, we're going to make sure to have some nice close-ups for you. So I will bring the other camera in here.
The other camera has a little bit of a hard time knowing where to focus. So it's good to have some close-ups here.
Okay, let's go to the studio and set this up.
Oh, you're back to the studio?
Yeah. We have to start at the computer.
Look at Watson going in there. How fun is that? And look at that, a wild Alfons is in the studio as well. My goodness.
Can you give me a chair? Because I'm going to give my chair to Ludwig. Yeah, just a small one. Oh, I think it's the one behind the glass. It's good.
And we have 3GS Freak joining in from the US. Good morning from Las Vegas. Good morning to you as well.
And Hannes, I just wanted to, if you go to the main camera, a little bit of recap that we did this prototype this morning. We made it better.
Main camera.
Yeah, no, I mean the studio camera. Here.
This one.
Yeah. So we are, this is the thing that we're working on, and the next step with this thing is to hold the vibraphone plates up. So once I learn how to use the CNC machine, I'm going to cut some pivot arms and stuff from plywood, I think, for that one. But now let's get over to the CAD station where Ludwig is going to take the lead here. So I think we can go to CAD small, and you should see Ludwig at least. I can fix your in-frame.
Look at
there
that.
We go.
Look at those two handsome fellas right there.
We have our beautiful Wilson. I don't actually know the story of Wilson. Maybe you can talk me through that.
Absolutely.
Happy accident.
The thing is, with Onshape does have its own Cam Studio software, and I have actually made this in Cam Studio. You need to have the 6 months free trial to use it. It's not included in the normal, and that's the reason why is because it uses a lot of cloud resources to do this. Unfortunately, it's not really great yet. So we're actually going to be going back to our old friend Fusion to do the cam on this. But just want to show you that there is some type of cam, which and for viewers who are not really into this type of manufacturing, cam is computer-aided manufacturing, whereas CAD is, of course, computer-aided design or Maybe I'm wrong, but basically this has to do more with making the digital thing into a physical thing.
Yep. So we're gonna program the CNC machine in Fusion, but we need to export Wilson as a step file first.
Exactly. So we go to export, and then we're gonna just very similar to when we do it as if we want to 3D print it. We prefer step file instead of STL files. I usually call step file being the Photoshop document of a JPEG or something. And we want to have, we want to download it. We don't want to use any custom units. Everything else looks good here. What we might want to do is check this one, but I'm not really sure. So let's just export this one.
Yeah.
And Astro says, "My eyes, the light mode jump scare." Fusion 360.
So I think, do we have Fusion already on this one?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's there.
Oh, sorry.
No, it's fine. It's there.
I'm not a Mac person, so this is going to be interesting. There we go. Okay. So we're just going to go and open this file, this step file that we downloaded.
Yeah. Oh, you got it already? Yeah.
What do you use for moving things around? I usually use left mouse button.
For moving things around in Fusion, I don't even remember. You want to move?
It's a
you want to move this around?
Oh, shift. Okay.
Shift and you press the mouse wheel.
Okay. Okay.
Should we close this? No, thanks. The assistant. I don't know what this is.
I think it's AI added thing, just like everything else is AI nowadays. All right. So we're actually not going to be using the design part of Fusion that much, because, and thank God, because I have no idea how to use this. I know that you're a master. So instead, we want to go to the manufacture tab.
Yep.
And
we can go. This we can go through as quick as possible.
Yep.
We're not going to talk through, like, this is not going to be tutorial. We just basically want the file and see how I get it into the CNC machine.
Yeah. So we select the machine. I've downloaded a very simple template that I did for this machine, which just says how big it is, what ratio it can go, what dimensions it can move, etc., etc. And then we want to say that we have the model is going to be this thing, and we also want to put.
Oh, you actually deselected it, I think. You have to select it again.
Okay, fine. There we go. And then we want to set the origin. We want to put here.
Okay.
However, right now you can see here that the y-axis is actually pointing that direction. So we want to have the x direction in our x direction. Sorry. So if we press this one instead. That should be fine, and then that's how you moved it around. Okay, so it's going to be cutting out like this.
That's fine.
And now when the setup is done, we just want to, well, we do want to check one more thing. We want to check if
the thickness of the stock.
Exactly.
Because we're going to do 18, right? So I think it comes default with some extra millimeters on the side. I actually know where to do that.
Yeah, I mean, please go ahead.
I just want to see, this is like old, I think here. Isn't it here? Because there's like 2 millimeter extra on the surface there. Where is the stock? I know.
No, I think it's, you had it there.
Here.
So here's the side offset. So
I think we're going to do 0. Or do you want, so we have the stock top like that.
All right. However, how wide is this? Because the material that we use is, I think, that is actually something that we should have done in the CNC room. We should have measured the
but
the plate, but
it's 18.
18. Yeah. All right. I think that this one is 18 as well. Yeah. Okay. Good. So then we should be fine. So the next part is then to set up the the tooling. And for this, we, of course, want to cut out the part, but we're going to do that last. First, we want to have a pocket here. And that is also something then that we need to figure out is which tools that we're going to use. But let's add here a 2D pocket. And here on tools, we currently don't have any tools in our project, and I don't think that we have any local tools either. But just as all the really good chefs on TV, I have prepared the database that includes all the tools that we have. Question is, where do I
don't think you're gonna access that from my account.
No, well,
it's on your account.
I downloaded it to your local computer.
Oh,
so,
wow. Wow. I thought I had him there for a little second, but no. Of course not.
But where maybe here.
On the other hand, it says no tools in library right now. I'm rooting for Ludwig to fail all of a sudden. It's not good.
Martin?
Yes?
I really need to go and make a phone call. Is it a good time for me to just step away and do that?
Of course. Only thing is that chat then will know that no one, for a short little while when Hannes is making this phone call, no one is reading chat. So we apologize for that. But
I'll come back as soon as I can.
Perfect, Hannes.
I promise.
Perfect. So Ludwig is specifying the tools.
Yeah, so I managed to get it in, and so this is a 6mm down cutter.
I can show it if I go to this. Well, not so sharp, but here's a tool. We have a tool changer on the machine.
Are you saying my tools are not sharp?
It's the tool is sharper than the image.
Yeah, and I'm not sure exactly which one of these. I think it's the 75 and a 60mm. So the good thing about having the tool is that you have all the settings already set, so you don't have to.
The feeds and speeds.
Exactly.
Perhaps this feeds we have to do a little bit separately.
And now we want to select this pocket. So we're actually going to start with this one. And I think that we could probably do this in one, maybe we should do it in 2 cuts. I usually turn off lead in and lead out because I think that's more for metal working. I'm not an expert in this in any way, so, but we also want to have zigzag ramp is usually what I go with at least.
This is whatever gets us to the machine. Fine tuning settings we can. No stock to leave. That's correct.
And I want to do a multiple depth with 6. Okay, I think that's good.
I'm amazed how fast you learned this, Ludwig, because I know you're just started, but you're learning so fast.
So this one, our machine doesn't have any special cooling setup. So I usually go in and I tell this that the coolant should be disabled.
Yep. Nice.
So now construction from a tangent extension cartridge.
So we have an error message up here. Machining area gouges the part.
I'm not really sure. I don't think I've seen that one.
If you visualize, if you go into the visualization,
it should show a visualization now.
Yeah, so it doesn't.
Maybe it's that we have in the geometry that we need to set this to be. Maybe. Does the chat have an idea?
Wait, no one is reading chat now because Hannes is gone. So
we're on our own. All right. I think it has to do that. This is actually quite a tricky geometry to cut out because it's. I don't think it's want to cut out this part.
What if you select several pockets at the same time in that 2D pocket operation, also the lower one?
Yeah, we can.
Perhaps it will complain less. And the lowest one too with the contour perhaps.
Yeah, but we need to
if it's a little bit happier done. Yes, it is.
All right.
No, it's not. Machining area constructed from a tangent extension gauges part. Should you click that? Fail. Try the closest boundary or parallel extensions instead. Okay, I saw where you were. There was a parallel option. So you went into the.
Okay.
You went there somewhere. Yeah, edit. There's a parallel instead of tangent. There.
Should we? Okay, let's see. Okay, no, but maybe the other ones, if we remove them.
Yeah. It makes sense to. No. Okay, I have a suggestion. Let's just cut the contour of Wilson so we can get in, or is that boring?
You have done this before, so I'm. Wait, let me.
Yeah, I never had that error message though. 2 faces.
So what we could do also is that we could jump into. All right, let's do the other tooling first and see if we maybe just scrap the other one. So let's do a 2D contour.
Yeah.
I usually want to go. I do the inside as a separate one, the whole cutting, so that it doesn't cut everything out and then tries to do it.
Yeah,
because that usually
good point. The order of the machining operations is super important.
Why can't I select multiple? All right, so let's just do. No. I think that your Fusion doesn't really act the same way as mine does.
I haven't
maybe it's a Mac thing?
I haven't opened it. I think Fusion always was a little bit strange on Mac. Okay. Which is perhaps an Onshape argument because it runs in the cloud. I don't know if Onshape cares so much what kind of device you're on.
No, more what browser it is. Right. Oh, wait, that's not a face. There we go. All right. Then we.
Coolant warning again. Yes, just to iterate for everyone what we're trying to do here. I think we're on this image. We're just trying to get. Basically, what I want Ludwig to show me is how to feed a cutting file into the machine. So how we're setting the cutting file up is not the purpose of this stream. We just need to do something here. And I think we're on our way to. It's actually fun if we make a Wilson that looks a little bit off, because that can be. It's his own character. I think Wilson is going to have a strange mouth on this one. So we're going to go right back to the CNC machine. I can show you the CNC machine waiting for us there. And I think on Sony 2 we have another angle of the CNC machine. So we're going to try to go in there and get this Wilson cut file onto the CNC machine as soon as possible. So yeah, that's the purpose. I can start prototyping with CNC machine cut part. So back to Ludwig and the tool pathing here.
It's kind of. I read that people said that you seem so happy with working with broadcast equipment nowadays, and I agree. And I think working from a real TV studio might have affected that somehow.
Yeah, it's thanks to Ludwig. Ludwig knows how to set everything up. Then I work hard with setting it up as well, but it's Ludwig's brain behind it is helping a lot. It's super fun. I can see also where all this is going.
All right. Yeah. So We have the inside, this one, but if we just make a...
Can I try
Yeah.
to make the first 2D pocket? Okay, we switch places. This is funny. This is like, I haven't been in the software since France. I think everyone remember me being in the software. We're gonna remove this 2D pocket operation, and we're going to do a new one. I don't know what happened. I don't know how to do it better than Ludwig. The tool is correct. So I mean, I would do it exactly like Ludwig did it, to just choose this surface. I'm just gonna OK it right away and see.
You can ignore that as well. It's
Okay,
just
what's the coolant in the beginning here?
Yeah.
Disabled. So we have this same error message. Gouges apart. Perhaps if we choose the edge instead of the face.
We could also do it to the yeah, actually, yeah.
With this contour and set a height.
Yeah.
We could do it that way. Yeah, that's true. So let's go into this one. Oh, I have to right click. That was it's funny. I take over and then I'm not solving it. So let's remove this selection and let's select. I think
let's do that. And
let's
then,
do this and then we set depth.
Yeah.
So if you look at it from this side now, this is the camera. I remember this. I want the orthographic view here. So
just select the bottom of it.
Bottom height. We're gonna do select selection. Can I select that face? Okay. It's not mad at us now. Yeah, this looks better. Should we do this?
So you should move that one, yeah. But we should also move that so that's the first or the first part of the operation. Right now it's
we put it up. And just something I see here. This is time consuming. We don't need to go down this slow spiral here, so we can set the depth of the entry spiral to much more aggressive. This is fun, actually. I remember this now. So I think it's horizontal lead.
The last one.
Horizontal lead in, we can do 3 millimeters. No, horizontal lead in.
I think you want to remove lead in and lead out, and then do the ramp instead.
And here's the helix. The helix angle we can do 30. I think that will reduce the amount of. It's going very aggressively in there now. Perhaps that was a little bit.
No, it's fine.
Is it fine?
Yeah.
In plywood, it's a strong machine.
Yeah.
All right. Do you want to do this little teeth as well? So we have a perfect.
Absolutely.
Yeah. So then we're just going to. But then we can't do this contour.
No, you can just if you just add it as a contour around.
Yeah.
And set the heights for that too.
Yeah. So we make a new operation. I'm gonna say, yeah, that looks good. That looks a little bit off. What do you think?
Let's try it.
Just OK it.
Yeah, I was fine with that.
No, is it really fine?
I think, or maybe not.
There is two paths: current machine, a coolant.
But yeah, because we just pressed OK instead of disabling that.
Trying to be fast, disabling. There was some other error messages as well. I can hover. No passes to link. Generated toolpath is empty. Okay, so I didn't do this really well. Open chain.
Yeah. So you can see there that it doesn't want like the concave line there. So, but if you continue it, so it takes. If you also press the round one.
This one.
Yeah. So, but if you take the circle as well, the hole.
Sorry, Ludwig, you would have probably done this better. Oh no, this might work. Okay. Generated toolpath is empty. No passes to link. I'm forgetting something obvious.
This one was really tricky when I was working with it as well before.
Should we just skip it for now and get going? Stock to leave, remove that. Wait, is it too small perhaps for the stock to leave? Yes, that was it.
Okay.
It's so close to the tool,
Yeah.
so so the tool was too big for the pocket with the stock to leave.
Okay.
So when I forgot
To remove stock to leave.
Yeah. So now, it's all getting back to me. We do that second. Should we simulate the whole thing?
We can do that.
Where was the simulation?
I think it's up there. You have.
Should we change? I think you're faster now.
Actually, we are basically set, and I'm gonna go and get the USB drive.
Okay.
So
I'll export this.
Yes, and you do that by pressing up there, the G1, G2, up one.
Post process.
So where it says 1001, the mark, that's the file name.
Yeah. Wilson V1.
Thank goodness we're still in Fusion.
You didn't miss you only missed me taking over from Ludwig and then being slower than him. So.
Okay, no news there.
So now we can catch up with chat. Hope your call went fine.
It did. It's just demanding. Dealing with asshats is demanding.
Have enough of that at work.
You're reasonable.
Oh.
Dealing with a parent's death is not reasonable.
So, for any new viewers, we're right in 4 minutes away from actually going into our CNC machine, a new CNC machine, where I think we have 2 cameras, and then we are going to cut Wilson for the first cut.
Do you have a...
We have a USB stick, so you take over here, Ludwig.
Right.
Ludwig comes in with a piece of plywood. They've been doing spring cleaning, and I've been taking the plywood in from the street secretly.
Really?
Yes.
Oh, good. I'm so upset with my colleagues, thinking that just because things have a weird shape that you can't really use it. But
I thought it was you who
No, I just lost the ability to argue with them. But I was wondering, so this one is actually plywood from France, from your old studio. It has an amazing number of layers.
Yep.
Do you have? Oh, I just wanted to measure if this is also 18th, and I think we're going to use this one instead.
Oh, did we check how much we're cutting through the parts in the tool paths?
I did it on mine. Okay, so this is 17.5, so that's fine.
Nice. So you should see the thumb. We're going to... Yeah, we can stay on this camera here, Hannes. Oh, full width, Hannes, yes.
So this one did not have multiple depths. So from what I've learned, it's good to always have a 6 mm, like the same height as the width of the tool. And this time we're also going to use the down cutter all the way through. Otherwise, usually you use a compression cutter.
Yeah, compression cutters are fantastic.
But this might actually be a good reason to see if we actually needed it or if the down cutter works well enough. Just going to check this one too. Yeah, this one was fine. All right, so this is the all right, this was this pocket.
Yeah, the leading wastes time, but let's leave it like that.
No.
Martin's mic is
Take
off.
forever.
We're only hearing him through the other mic.
Multiple depths.
Could that be right?
What?
I just saw that in chat here.
Check.
Did your battery run out?
I don't think so.
Let's see if I can still hear you. So let's see if chat updates here.
If you, both of you stay silent, I'm just gonna hit my mic.
Sounds good for me.
Well, the mic...
It was gone for a moment. seems better again.
Okay, good. Thanks, chat, because we actually don't have a setup where we can listen to the stream. So we're only doing a little bit of guesswork, so we're happy for audio feedback.
And I have no idea how what Hannes is saying, so we might speak over each other. Got a full there, yeah. Let me...
Here's one Wilson. Original Wilson has disappeared. I can't find original Wilson, but this is a later Wilson, and now we're gonna make new Wilson.
Is this the original, perhaps?
I think original Wilson is probably hiding somewhere in the studio, because I mean it would be weird if it just went off on its own. There we have that one. So we're gonna make a folder in this.
So we're exporting the cam. I'm excited. So Hannes, while Ludwig is exporting the file to a USB drive, I just want to go back and show this thing.
The wonderful little prototype.
So we have the resonators from the original vibraphone down here, and I'm going to be able to 3D print and CNC machine some prototyping of how we actually put the bars up on this one.
Yeah, and this is important decisions to be made for the future of the CAD model.
Yes, so it's. I defend this use of time that it's actually because of the theoretical design process I'm doing to write down the design requirements is step one, but I need to check some stuff. No one has done this before in the world. So, in other projects, you can see how other people have done it, and then like, do we want that feature, and kind of know how much it would cost, how much long time it takes. No one has played vibraphone with marbles in the world, perhaps the universe, which means that it's not just for me to know. I don't know everything about everything, so I need to do some experimentation. It's my defense speech.
Yeah.
No. One second.
Yeah,
I have a UPS delivery.
Nice. So we're exporting everything. You know what, Hannes? We can go into the CNC room and prepare the stock, actually.
Okay, nice.
Waiting for the UPS delivery.
Nice. I'll switch over to the CNC room because I can do that now. I have that amount of power.
Yeah, so
I got 2,000 cameras at the tip of my fingers.
I wonder if I open this metal door, if we get less disturbance of the frequencies. We try to put the receiver closer to here. So, boom. Let me set this camera up. Is my audio annoying when I'm here in the CNC room?
I think this is good, but now I get in chat here that Martin's volume is low.
I'll check.
So you're a bit low.
I'll check that if it could be on the sensitivity here. Oh, it's the sensitivity has gone back. Okay.
Yeah, Martin very quiet, they say now, so...
Sorry, everyone. I used to be on
there we go.
30 decibel sensitivity.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
You're very strong now.
Okay, I'm going to be a little calm. This should be the standard setting. Sorry.
Okay. Let's see. You're blasting my ears, but perhaps it's only me.
I need to store all the settings of all the receivers. I redone them every time I put them on, so when they all by accident goes off, we have this issue. Thanks, chat, for letting us know. That's why you thought I was only in Ludwig's mic.
That is too high. Hannes, turn down, please.
Okay, I think it's because you lowered it. I can lower it a little bit here.
A little bit.
6 decibels down.
I think that is good. And I saw here that we got a lovely donation here from Hawkeye Films 9008. Hannes, you're always hilarious. What type of tracking camera is in the CNC room? Don't forget about Toronto on the world tour. I will go see you at least 3 times in the new world. I will take you up on that. 3 times. Then I can shake your hands 3 times as well. That's very kind of you. I'm not entirely sure what type of camera Ludwig set up in the CNC room. It's a PTC camera.
It's an OBS spot.
OBS spot?
OBS spot.
Okay.
I'm gonna entertain you while we're waiting for UPS with some saw.
Oh, wow. Didn't see that one
Ludwig
coming.
is back.
Oh.
Go ahead, Ludwig.
All right. Right, so I think that we have everything in. Or did I copy it? No, it's not copied here.
I want to say that the volume is perfect now, Mark.
Okay, perfect.
You solved it.
Thank you. It was tricky because I'm right next to Ludwig, so they could still hear me pretty well, although I was lower than usual.
Oh, okay.
I had the wrong sensitivity setting. I was too little sensitive for once, actually.
I hope that the mute button is activated, by the way.
Mute button
Okay.
works. We didn't hear you when you were talking
We
to
heard
me.
everything.
We heard everything.
Well, it would be quite boring.
Why does it take so long time to copy 4 kilobytes?
I think that this USB drive is on the verge of not one. USB drives. Most USB drives are quite aged nowadays.
Yeah.
So we want to inject
There's
this
no
in.
network into the CNC machine. We have to load, and this is what I wanted to learn today. We have to
Yeah.
load it through a USB stick. Is it already out?
Yep.
I'll pull the stick out, and we can go to the CNC room.
Wop, wop,
I'm
wop!
gonna bring the tools. And we're gonna bring
Terrific.
the.
I brought it.
Oh,
The wood is already there. And chat, let us know if you have this static, a lot of static noise, because our senders and receivers are not super strong. I hear a little bit.
So far so good on my end. I will keep an eye on chat.
Okay, good. So we're here.
Yes.
Ludwig has the USB stick, and I do the close-ups. I follow what Ludwig does with this camera that I'm not so good at operating, but we try.
So this machine actually has a pneumatic loader, which makes it a lot easier. It's unfortunately doesn't have an automatic tool changer, but if you have multiple of these, you can just put it in and then press a little button here, and then it gets stuck, which takes away a lot of the time of having to like manually remove it from the collets.
I spent a lot of time leaning over the machine, changing tools, and also you will know the height of the tool automatically once you set it in the collet, which is fantastic.
Yeah, there is one thing I haven't really told you about this, and I haven't really fixed it because I realized. But this one actually has also like a tool sensor.
Yeah, the C height, set
exactly.
height.
So you have to put this and it press the button so that you know. But in order for this to work, you need to have a small little crocodile.
The clip.
The clip.
To close the circuit.
Exactly, and then you need to remember to remove that before you turn the machine on.
Yeah.
And if you don't do that, the cable gets torn out, and the little crocodile thing flies in many miles per hour into the wall.
I wonder how you learned that.
Yeah, this is just theoretically. So yeah, I'm gonna fix that connector, but I also figured out that it's actually quite easy to simpler to just do it manually.
Yep.
So that's what we're gonna be doing. All right. So we're not gonna use this today. And this also has a vacuum table function. And I choose the blue MDF so that it's easy to see when it's cut through. Because if you have normal MDFs or spoil boards, usually has basically the same color as the. Yeah. So that's why I tested with. Unfortunately, it's a little bit too dense, this board, so the vacuum doesn't suck through it as good. And I haven't found like a light density board.
Are we holding down with screws today then?
So I think that we let's see how. I think that we can use the clamps that we got with this as well.
Okay, nice.
And that also means that the audio in here is going to be more manageable because the vacuum machine is 7.5 kilowatt of engine, and it sounds like an airplane in here.
First cuts on the new CNC machine, Hannes.
Excitement. Feels so
So I'm gonna
extremely
move this
cool.
away.
Watching this from behind the screen on a surveillance camera.
Oh, there's some a nut in the track. Let me see if I can go in from this side.
So the nut in the track should be here, just to make sure that it's straight. So
Yeah, but there's a
okay.
fallen down thing.
I think we have some focus issues on the Sony camera in the CNC room.
Thank you for saying that. Let me fix that. I don't have an. Whoop. We also have a camera stand. I'm using a microphone stand for this camera because I'm just built that way. Let me see, focus.
And chat is asking us to be mindful about the sound in there. Perhaps if it's
Is that
really
another
loud, you
focus?
should mute.
Oh yeah, we can. We'll see how loud it will become. We probably move out of the. We move out a little bit, perhaps.
Thank you for fixing the camera.
That's a good idea. Is it better, Hannes, to focus?
Yes.
Okay, good.
I see what you're doing.
Nice. So the machine came with some T-slots, which is actually nice to hold down the edges of the material.
Well, some questions regarding the video that you did at the other workshop. Try to have this straight down.
Yeah.
first.
Do you put this on the?
Or
So I want
on
it
there.
all the way because then I can't turn this. That's the
Okay,
annoying
so
thing.
then put it there.
This doesn't feel secure, but
It should be fine.
okay, this is good. Ludwig. Nice. These are just hand tightened.
But
Perhaps we should.
this one, I think we need to put, because right now it's only this little edge that it's connected, that is pressing down on.
Mhm.
If we have this straight flush, it will press down on the whole area.
Fine. Fine. Let's do that. But then I can't. These are not really.
No, I know.
These are too small. Okay.
I think that works.
Yep.
All right.
Famous last
So,
I actually want to pull it with a thing. I don't want it here. I just gonna give it a
Yeah.
little. I don't want to see the material turn loose on my first cut.
you don't want ADHD Wilson.
No.
So the first cut that we did on this machine was actually Wilson, but I did not have it secured enough. So it got very weird looking when it started to dance around while being cut.
Yeah.
So I called it the ADHD Wilson because it didn't want to stick around.
I feel happy with that. So we have the stock set in. You have a remote control for the machine.
Yeah, maybe we wanna. Shall we move the camera in and I can show it to you how it works? Because it's not very long, unfortunately.
Oh, okay. All right. I think here, I think it's on autofocus now, so this should work.
Yep, perfect.
But it's not good for. Is it?
Yes, it's just slow.
Maybe it's too-
Oh, it is slow. Okay.
Yeah.
All right.
All right. So normally here you can see the position of the X, Y, and Z.
Yeah.
Currently it's on manual because we're not running a program. We have it currently set to speed 4, which I don't really remember by heart, but you can, if you open, sorry, if you open this, you can actually see also on the machine what it actually spins at. So if I press here on off, you can see that the spindle is currently starting.
Yeah. Very smooth, good sound of that chunky spindle.
And then there's a lot of things that are like special commands that you can do, like pressing different buttons. Most of them are here on the back side.
Nice.
But in this case, what we want to do is we want to first position this one to where we want to have set the start.
So we're going to set to 0.
Exactly. So I'm going to move this.
Yeah. I'm just going to.
Are you gonna be standing in that room when it's going? You should wear safety glasses.
Okay. Yes, that's a good point from chat. We're going to do that. Yeah. So we shouldn't turn the spindle without glasses. Chat says. I do have a PPE drawer somewhere.
I completely agree with chat, and that's why I'm wearing glasses.
So let me go and get my glasses.
Perfect. Good.
I think that we have
Safety
a set here.
Do you know where it is, Ludwig?
Yeah, we used it yesterday, but maybe.
Okay, hold the fort, Hannes.
I'm holding the fort. The surveillance camera is going back into its regular position.
To see if the 3D printer camera is on, I think I'm going to go into the 3D printer room and check for my... I think I saw something here.
Mm-hmm.
And now you have
Perhaps
static. Here's PPE.
O.G. Wilson. PPE.
Yes, look at this.
Okay, chat. I am reminding them to be cautious. Safety.
I found it. Did you see that, Hannes?
Good.
So thanks, chat, for taking care of my eyes. I do need them.
Yeah.
That was actually a law, a rule I had for myself on my old CNC. Okay.
All right.
Yes. Let's go.
So we remember that we put the origin in this bottom corner here. So
Yeah, except that the Y and the X was a little bit...
No, it should be fine.
Okay.
All right. I mean, if you're worried, we can do an air.
Put it. An air thing is good. Or put it just in the middle of the thing. It's a scrap.
So if we have it there, and then we press that the XY should be set to 0, which is this button up here.
Perfect.
And then, since if we want to do an air run,
Yep.
we're gonna press that the C level is above the.
Yeah. Okay, you're zeroing out the C and the XY. Nice.
So now it's gonna start exactly there. So even if we go somewhere else.
Yeah, it will go to 0.
If we press the origin twice.
Yep.
It's going to go to wherever we put it, but having the C-axis 40 millimeter up as a safe distance.
Super nice.
And then we press the run button.
Yeah.
It's reading the flash drive, which I think that this flash drive, it's
really slow.
I might have dropped this a few times in the floor as well, and I think that the USB drive might be the one that had taken damage from it or something.
It's reading a 4 kilobyte file now, so obviously it's going to take some time.
Welcome to the future.
Oh my god, we're on the verge of success here, and it doesn't read the USB drive.
Give it a little time. It's kind of like, these old NES cartridges where you have to blow it, and then make some kind of ritual.
Yeah.
I remember when I was little, we had like to make a game CD run in our gaming PC. We took it out, we blew on it, we put it to the side, put it in, took it out, put it to the other side, and then we blew on it again. And something of those things seemed to work. So we thought that we had to do this whole ritual every time we had to put in a CD.
Soul-crushing thing of making a lot of progress in a game like that. Just foresee the screen blowing up when it. So it's waiting for the flash drive.
This usually only takes a second. So I think that I'm gonna go take another USB drive.
Okay.
And come back with that.
Yeah. Martin, bring up the guitar.
I think the guitar is heavily out of tune, but we can do some tuning while. Or do you want help with that, Ludwig? No, you take another.
And our dear friend Martin with a donation here. It's for the new USB fund. Straight into your pocket, Martin. Thank you so much. That's brilliant.
Yeah. Just to recap, we're on the verge. Am I in this camera now?
Yep.
Yeah. This is standing outside. We're on the verge of doing the first cut of the CNC machine. Ludwig has been so kind to show me the ropes on my own machine. And actually, Ludwig has built a whole sound isolating floor under this machine because we are in an apartment building in the basement. So we are actually building like a music studio floor under this CNC machine with like foam isolation, stone, wood to remove some of the vibrations. But when I heard this machine, it's really silent actually compared to my old ones because it's this huge metal frame. So it's really sturdy, which means that there is less vibrations, which means there's less sound. So Ludwig is getting a new USB drive. So, yeah. I'm just seeing sorry, Hannes?
Fantastic.
I'm seeing the future here. We're like going to... I can be at the computer. I can send jobs to the CNC machine, to the 3D printers. We can show them while they're going. I can design, I can test. And it feels fantastic.
Yeah. We're watching history and future at the same time here.
Sorry, I have a lot of static, but there's no static to chat?
No.
Okay, so it's...
No one has complained. So
okay, nice.
Just you, Martin. It's in your head. Is it time for Wonderwall, people say it's now. No static. Look at that. You are a musician.
Ah. If you just tune in, this is me playing guitar by the CNC machine because we're waiting for Ludwig. Ludwig is getting a new USB drive. And while we have that, we're going to cut the first Wilson on this machine.
Yeah.
There is a little bit of an idea to perhaps make Wilsons so we can send them out to people who want them. I don't know if we're going to get through with that project, but it would be really nice to have, to make a batch of custom tailored Wilson or... Yeah. Okay, song. I'll take.
Guitar is quiet.
Okay.
I think it's the noise gate, you know, from the.
I'll take song requests. Requests.
Spela Shoreline. Someone wrote here.
I don't know that song actually.
Yeah, but you know Wonderwall.
No, by Wonderwall I want to. I should check in on Ludwig perhaps.
He's coming to you now.
Oh, you're seeing him in the...
Yeah.
I see him. He saved me from Wonderwall.
The first cut is the deepest people want to hear.
You saved me from playing Wonderwall, Ludwig.
Oh, I wanted to sing Wonderwall.
Okay, if we have a really good Wilson, I'll give you the karaoke spot in the end of the stream.
There we go.
Loading the new USB drive.
Mm-hmm.
Goes better.
It should. We might also try restarting the...
So this is really funny because this is exactly my experience with my previous CNC machines as well. There's some like fiddling around with getting stuff talking to each other. So this is maybe something in the reader, in our toolpaths. Okay, a Norwegian reset. Ludwig is going to make a Norwegian reset. If you're not aware, maybe Hannes can enlighten you.
Yeah, unplug the shit from the sockets. Just restart it that way. Cut the power. Cut the power. Norwegian reset. Here we go.
Are we going for Norwegian reset?
Yes.
Okay.
It always works.
Another thing to note, like when you use the system yourself,
Yeah.
you need to also turn on the water cooler which is this big white box. So there's an on-off button on that.
We have water-cooled spindle.
Yeah.
How
Exactly.
cool is that?
And then when you start it up, you need to it needs to home. Basically, it's going to go into the corner because it has sensors, so it knows. It's similar to how a 3D printer works.
So it knows where it is?
Yeah. But since we set the origin point, if we just tell it go to origin, it's still going to go to that.
It remembers that. That's cool. So once again, we're going to try to load the toolpath. Did we perhaps something in the post-processing went wrong?
No, I wonder if this USB drive is
Wrong format.
simply.
Oh, the USB port of the controller.
No. That's fine. It's just I wonder if either it's something that Mac does,
Okay.
because I've never had this issue
Oh
at
wait,
all.
there are. I remember there are some. Did you use any special characters in the file name?
Yeah, well, I used a dot. It's called one dot. What Wilson?
Yeah, there's 2 dots. It's not good.
Okay.
Should be only 1 dot, right? I guess because then it's reading the file extension wrong
Yeah.
after the first dot.
Maybe
Perhaps.
we could. Yeah, we could try that. Or do you have a USB drive that we?
I'll go and see. I'll go and see. But I think there should be only 1 dot.
I have used multiple dots before because the thing is this only takes 8-letter file name. So I usually number my files in the order that I want to cut them out because you can't really see anything else than the first few characters.
I actually have no clue about that thing. And now let's see if my drawer system.
Let's change the camera.
Yeah,
now.
we're back.
What is Martin doing?
I'm going to. I have no clue what's in these stupid Gridfinity drawers. I did buy some USB drives for I have some drives, but I don't know where they are.
Could you try emailing me that NC file or send it to me? And I can.
Martin says in with a donation as well. Dot is extension. Also format USB drive as FAT32.
Yeah, dot is extension.
It's the dot
Yeah,
people are saying in the
Try
chat.
the same, just changing the dot, Ludwig. So we can at least try that. Yeah, I don't know where my USB drives are. Imagine if I made a Gridfinity system to sort them.
Imagine the power you would have.
Okay. I think it's a little bit. Oh, I think. Alfons scared me here in the corner. I found my USB drives, Ludwig. But I think it's a little bit like annoying to show you like a lot of frustrating problem solving, but it's also like this is exactly how the project always goes.
This is how it is to use a CNC machine.
So if you take one of those and it's this file.
Yeah.
I will go and put it on from a PC and see if that makes a difference, and then we'll have 2 drives to try.
Okay, and
So-
you have it without the dot now.
Yes.
Okay.
Interesting.
Oh, if you think maybe Watson can't talk to a Mac?
It could be that that it needs to be formatted in another disk format. Yes.
Like the USB drives.
Yeah, so that it might need FAT32 instead of exFAT.
Yeah.
Welcome everyone to this riveting content right here, where we're solving USB drives.
Skrotnisse Master 3, what song is that? On my old USB drive. Oh, that's not me. That's maybe Theremin Final 7000 WAV.
Oh no, we stumbled onto gold here.
Baseline.21.wav. Oh.
Whoa. Boom.
Crash.
Speaking about riveting content.
Multiversum.wav. Okay, I'm gonna copy the file.
Yeah. It's so loud.
New
also to
folder,
listen.
Wilson.
Yeah, chat is saying, ow, my ears.
Oh, sorry, everyone. Okay. Let's eject this. Okay, we're soon at the CNC machine.
We're getting close. We're on the cusp.
I just saw like a time machine back to a previous life on this old USB drive. I had no clue what those audio files were. It's good fun. Okay, let's go back to the machine, see if there's a PC Mac thing.
Fingers crossed.
Fingers crossed. See, Ludwig is not here. Okay, I'm going to see if I can do this without Ludwig. I'm in the CNC room, Hannes.
Yeah, I know.
Menu.
Uh-oh.
Operate file. Okay.
Yeah. Moment of truth.
I put a stick in. Menu. What is this? Okay, no. Oh, run, perhaps. Okay, no, I don't dare to.
You got scared.
I don't dare to. Let me see what happens with Ludwig. I don't hear him. I'm gonna go look for him.
Look for Ludwig.
Yeah.
Look for Ludwig. And I'm sorry, chat, that you got to hear that extremely loud music. Marty got excited when he found old gold from its old sins in his USB stick.
I found Ludwig.
You found him?
Yeah.
Did you get it
Yep.
on it? All right.
I have it on the drive. Oh, I'm gonna get some water meanwhile.
Good.
I'm gonna get
Me as well. Hydration is important, people.
loud water sounds.
We don't have a camera in the kitchen.
All right.
Why is there no Wi-Fi or Ethernet stuff on a CNC machine? Why do you use USB cards?
Yeah, that's actually surprising on this machine. I'm back here at the CNC machine, Hannes.
Yeah, I know.
Oh, you see me, yeah. It would be really nice to just have to put it in a network folder and not have to copy the files onto USB all the time.
It feels so medieval.
Perhaps there's like a USB stick with a receiver, like maybe there's a product like with like a USB stick but a server.
Mm-hmm.
That would be great.
Server in your pocket.
Because then we can put this in here and we can connect it remotely. Okay, yeah. Sorry everyone for this being like a little bit frustrating, but it's also exactly how it always is, and I think everyone can relate. Like you're trying new things, trying things to talk to each other, and it's just like you have to do some problem solving first. Okay, Ludwig is
Yes.
here.
All right.
I put mine in. Which one should we try first?
Let's try yours first.
Okay.
Oh, actually, it seems to. We have a lot of wave files here.
I put it in a folder called Wilson.
All right.
Okay.
So, but here you can also see that you can't really tell much of the file name.
No.
So that's why I have them in different folders first, and then usually add a number at the beginning of each,
Okay.
so that it's easy.
It's reading the one wilson.nc. Nice.
And here you can set how quick speed it should have at start. I usually, when I'm unsure of something, I usually go if I'm running it too quickly, I usually go down here.
Yeah. And you can speed up during the operation.
Exactly. Something that's really annoying is that to change this number, you can't just write in. You need to press the run pause button in order to go into edit mode of that value. So it's a little bit finicky.
I can't wait now, Ludwig. Come on, let's cut.
I know. All right.
Let's get going!
Okay, is it running?
Yeah. So now it's running.
In the air, perhaps?
Yeah.
Okay.
All right. So as you can see right now, this is the ramp down,
Yeah.
which is super slow.
Yeah.
So I usually tell it so that at the ramp, but
That's a metal thing. You're probably right. For plywood, we can do much faster ramps.
yeah, but it's singing quite beautifully.
Yeah. Okay, but this looks good.
Yeah, and I think I'm gonna move this, set the origin point.
I'm gonna get a close up here, Hannes.
I see it.
Ludwig, are you protected?
I do have glasses on.
Yeah.
Yes.
What about safety sandals?
All right. So this is usually how I set the C height, just basically go down to so it touches. In this case, this is actually 7.5 millimeters. So we can probably run it a little bit. We don't have to press it down so much because it thinks that it's 18 millimeters, but the material is just 7.5. All right. So let's run this
The
for real now.
historic, okay. So thanks everyone for being here. The historic first cut of the CNC machine. I'm operating the lights here. So let's run it.
Lights, camera, action, everyone.
Ludwig, that doesn't look like it's safe.
It's fine.
Oh, the dust collector is off.
Oh, that's true.
Okay, should we?
History being made.
Ludwig, you go on mute.
Okay, I think they muted it for sound reasons, so you're stuck with me. Perhaps I can emulate the CNC machine. Wow, it went quiet. But look at that. This is history.
I'll try to do some low noise, Hannes. Is this good?
Yeah, it sounds good.
Okay.
I emulated the sound with CNC machine. You don't have to worry. Wow, it's wobbly. Is it the camera? I hope it's the camera. Are you done fiddling with the camera, Martin?
It says that it was finished, but I doubt that it was.
Maybe we didn't have all the operations.
Exactly. Maybe we only did one operation of it. It was only 4 kilobytes, right?
Yeah.
That explains it. So let's have a look at the first part of it.
Okay, I'll try to ramp my mic up and down here on the receiver.
Yeah, not too much.
It might
You're very loud
too
now,
loud.
I think.
Go down like this. Okay, we totally failed.
But you put a smile on that.
Fail, I wouldn't say. I mean, it is the correct part. It's just that forgot to make all the parts exported.
We don't have we don't make mistakes. We only have happy accidents. We have a
Exactly.
big smile on the CNC machine. What perfect place to start. Okay, I think we didn't highlight all the toolpaths in the post-processing.
Exactly. Should I go and do that?
I'll come with you.
Yeah. All right.
Perfect. Awesome, guys. Thanks for muting the mics.
Yeah, we're trying. We're improvising.
But chat, I entertained them. I simulated the CNC machine with my mouth, so they were really happy with that.
Yeah, you heard that.
Thanks to Hannes, I now know what a CNC sounds like.
I heard that. Let me. Okay, I can just going to do. Yeah, so we're going to do.
Yeah.
Good
so
thing
on the
you're wearing your
operations
safety
there,
goggles, Martin.
Yeah. Okay, everyone, we're back here. I think what happened is. What did actually happen?
if you go back there,
You have to.
if you go back to the exporting, then the other tab there where it says operations. All right,
You made
everything
a
is
wheel.
currently
Now you just need the sun.
selected. I wonder if it was that before.
Or do you have to say? Did we put in a tool change? So you have to push.
No, it uses the same tool. You can see that on the side. That everybody's using the 6mm flathead downwards cutter.
So we didn't like ask it to stop between operations, because it did only one operation. It did the first operation, right? Yeah. So perhaps it is stopping. You know, like if you wanna change tool, it stops. So let's see. Where do we do that?
Let's see if we export it normally and see if it's still 4 kilobytes.
That's smart. So I'm gonna highlight all of them. I'm gonna go here and we're gonna double check all operations are in. Settings. We're gonna put wheels 2. Post.
Here's the USB drive. So what I think might have happened is that we had one selected before. And now when we tried it, it didn't have... you selected either all of them or none of them.
A good reminder here with a donation as well from Martin that says, pro tip, always hold finger near emergency stop. So yeah, we're wagging fingers at you now.
That's good.
You're operating the CNC machine.
They're wagging the fingers they still have at me now because they've been careful.
If you go to Go up in the menu,
Oh, it's not on download.
and then go to download, go to folder, the second from the bottom, go to folder,
Oh.
and then just press OK.
Wheels 2.
And that one is 75 kilobytes, so that's the full
Okay,
one.
that's the way we know.
Should we instead export one without the first, since we already did that?
It can go into the same.
All right.
I think it's fine.
Yeah, it's better to have a fully defined Wilson.
Only problem now is that the USB drive isn't showing up.
It feels like USB drives
Yes,
is
we
like
are professionals.
90s technology, but yeah.
No name, yeah. Here we go. And I'm
No
gonna
name
put
sounds about right.
everything in folders here, so it's easier for to go through the menu. Boom. Moving some files. Pasting this new code that is 79 kilobytes.
Oof.
Ejecting the USB drive, and thanks everyone for joining us. We're soon going to have Wilson here, I think.
We're gonna make a real boy.
I love the new Pinocchio movie by Guillermo del Toro, no? Who
yeah.
did retweet original Marble Machine video, so
Yeah, he's a good guy.
Strange flex, but okay.
Is that way like him?
Guillermo del Toro retweeted the Marble Machine video.
And that is why you like his video.
Yeah. I'm. If someone likes me,
Shallow.
I like them back. Okay, Ludwig, do you want me to? Can you show me how?
So you put that in.
So I'll take Wilson and the water off the machine.
That's a good idea.
And I go on run.
Yes.
Because it's not gonna run, it's gonna let me select first.
Yeah. Yep.
Run.
And it's a USB disk file, so that's the first one. And then OK.
And where is enter? Here?
That's one, yeah. And here, this one and this one is up and down.
Oh, nice. And I try to move them.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Yeah, this is the folders.
Yeah.
Okay. Enter. We're gonna choose the second file here now. The one we did. It's not running when I choose it. 0.6 is good.
Yeah, that should be fine. So what's going to happen now is that it's going to spin up. So it's going to give you a 10-second countdown while it spins up. You can, if you know that it's already spinning the correct, you can just press OK, then it will come here and it will start cutting. So press OK.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Everyone is protected. Oh, it's giving us countdown here. It looks like a bomb exploding on this display here.
That's
so be careful with that because it's going to come here.
Okay. And we should be careful when we're two people, so we're not knocking each other over.
I will mute myself and turn on the.
I'll lower my microphone for everyone.
Yeah. Thank you. Nice. That is manageable. We can still hear everything. So let's see if Martin can figure out the camera. Let's see. Look at that. It's cutting. It's cutting, filling in the mouth. Cutting in the air. It's a nose.
So, a fun fact, when it screams, it goes too slow, not too quick.
Look at that. Happy sibling. Look at that. That looks good now. He can't stay away.
Did we do any tabs? So I shouldn't remove the material then?
It's done.
Oh, wow. Ah!
He's alive!
He's alive! He came loose!
Well,
I am honestly really excited about this. Thank you, Ludwig. Let's inspect. Oh, it's actually, he has a nice charm defect. Also, the compression bit helps with this.
Yep.
So the down cutter makes this.
So we can do another one with the compression cutter.
Okay. Let's just cherish this moment, everyone. That. Something you see there?
Yeah, and that is because it can't really cut it it can't really. He doesn't understand that it can go out
Yeah.
there in the hole.
Yeah, so that was a toolpath issue.
Yeah.
What do you think?
Look at that. That is very, very cool.
Yeah. It looks like, yeah, the machine is doing a great job. So if you want to do one with the compression?
Yeah.
So I want to show now, if you see the difference on these two, I'm going to give a close-up here.
I change angle.
The floor is really unstable, so sorry for the camera.
Yeah, I switch it away when you adjust it.
But this is the back side of these two. And as you can see, we have much more fray here. And that's because the down cutter is pushing the plywood down. And I realized that with my old CNC machine, and a compression cutter is cutting up in the tip of the cutter, cutting like into the plywood. So we're gonna run it. I think we're just going to change the tool.
Yeah, we're
run
gonna
the exact same file again.
Yeah.
To see if we get less of this fray on the backside.
Brilliant.
Otherwise, apart from that, if you see like the front side, you have none of that because here the tools is cutting down into the plywood. So like no sanding needed really here. Super nice.
Look at those.
Yeah, and
Happy siblings.
there's a little bit of a defect in there with the tool path. So this is a unique one.
Look, they fit together.
So yeah, fun. Whoop.
Ah, he's escaping already.
So you want a shorter compression one? Oh, that looks good.
Yeah. So if you unscrew the collet of that,
Yeah,
or
these
the
collets
head-
are new to me, but I guess I'll do it like this. Yeah. You want to
then-
change this one?
Yeah, I need to have. So this one is for 8 millimeter. We need to have one that is for 6 millimeter,
So I can.
and I should have an extra of those.
You have the tool, Ludwig? I can show the tool.
Yeah.
So-
The Wilsons will keep it in check.
So here's the new tool we're gonna use. I don't know how much you see that in the close-up.
Pretty good. Zoom out a little bit and tilt it down
Yeah.
a little bit, perhaps.
Yep.
I'll change the way while you fix it because it's very annoying.
Sorry.
It's so bumpy.
Yeah, it's the floor. So here's
The collet.
the collet. So that goes in here, like that. Tool goes in here.
Be careful not to slice your finger.
Yeah.
I've done that a few times.
I think we need to go a little bit more in. Whoop. And these are completely new to me. I did this a lot with in France, of course, but I never did this on this machine. So it feels nice to have this vacuum stuff actually. So I guess like that, and then like this. This is a cool system because they don't slip. Okay, it stops there.
Yep.
Should be enough.
Yeah.
Should we take a close-up of the... No, let you just put it in.
No, you get to do it,
Okay?
but I can bring the thing closer. It's coming. Oh,
Yeah,
no.
I'm ready.
These ones goes in the little 3D printed container here.
Oh, you custom made that?
Yes.
Ludwig made a really nice custom container here. So we have a button for the...
Yeah, it's that little green
it's
one
that
there.
little green one. So I'm gonna hold this, and the machine is live now, right? But
Yeah, but just press that, and I mean, as long as it's not
is it
spinning.
gonna fall out?
Well, it will if you don't. Oh, you need to hold it in.
Oh, so that was what I didn't want to. Okay, I put it in.
Yeah. Yeah, it's there.
Oh, wow, that's fantastic.
That is cool.
All right, and this goes here.
Yeah.
Now we need to do the C again, the height adjustment.
Actually, the height is already there, but we need to we need to zero the x and y because
but I put a new tool, so we don't know how hard I.
Okay, I was just testing you, and you got the top score.
Lying.
Wow, what a liar!
Yes. It's not often you get a victory against Ludwig, so I have to share. I have to cherish them when I do. Is it too dark here, Hannes?
Yeah, a little bit too dark.
If you zoom in too much, it will get darker because.
I forgot where the ISO was on this one.
You press the gain and then you scroll on the wheel.
Gain and wheel. Gain, wheel, gain. Wheel. There.
More.
All right. Are we ready?
More, Hannes.
Yes. It's dark.
I think Hannes' screen is dark.
You can be dark.
Sad for you, Hannes. Ludwig's not hearing your insults. Okay, so we have a new 0, and we're gonna cut Wilson with a compression bit now.
Yeah. And the only thing I'm going to do now is I'm going to press run and home, which will start the last program that we did.
Oh, nice. Let me get my mic down. I'm on the wrong thing.
Look at that happy Martin walking around. The suspense right now. People are at the edge of their seats. You're too zoomed in, Martin. There we go. Perhaps we can switch. There we go. Look at that. Another Wilson. Multiplying. Like gremlins over here. Ooh hoo hoo.
Alright, can you turn the vacuum cleaner off? And we actually made a mistake here.
Yeah.
The first one wasn't deep enough, right? So the top, and by the way, these, so we made several mistakes that we perhaps can fix. That's interesting. What I've learned is always to clean the entire pocket.
Yeah.
To not have this, because this, and also we're not using tabs.
Yeah.
So I think there's 3 mistakes, and the first, you see we have fray here, and we do have fray on the other side, but less.
I think that maybe that this one is one of the.
Is it worn out?
It might be worn out.
Yeah. But anyway, there's a lot of improvements we can do to the toolpath. So these things that comes from the nose of Wilson, this is Wilson bogies. I learned that
boogers.
I learned that word from Harry Potter. So it's the first time in my life using it ever. And the teeth, caries. So these things we should program away, because they can actually just jump up and destroy the tool. when they get loose. So instead you clear out the pocket completely, just turn them into sawdust. Much better. So we should do that. And also the fray was just worse with this new tool.
I also wrote it quite hard, the bit, so going a little bit slower.
Yeah, okay.
Will probably also, but usually what I do is that if I want to have a very nice finish on the up, is that I do most of the part with the down cutter, and then I switch tool to a compression cutter or a up cutter.
Oh, for cutting it off.
Yeah.
Yeah, sounds good.
But that would require us to have a file that had that as a separate.
So, I mean, it's still a huge success. This isn't about optimizing the tool paths. This is about getting the CNC machine up and running, which we did. Thanks to all Ludwig's great work. Let me zoom out a little bit here. So perhaps if I'm really going to turn this into a learning lesson, perhaps you should actually tell me about the controls one more time, or we can do that off stream. Because this is a success. I now have a machine for the marching project that I can make real parts with. Feels fantastic.
I'm a little bit annoyed that this didn't turn out as good as I know it can.
How much time do you have, Ludwig?
I have the rest of the stream.
Do you want to get revenge to make a crisp one?
Yes,
or?
yes, I do.
Yes.
Okay. The good thing with that, Ludwig, is for me to really learn, I should then do the whole startup sequence and everything myself.
Yeah.
So I don't call you next time. So if we just put on the coolant and everything, so I can really.
So on there you have an on-off button.
Yeah.
It's the big one.
Put it off.
Yeah, turn it off. And then, so usually I just hold my hand to see if there's a red on the display there, because there's a small little display to make sure if it's on or off, because it's very.
And the machine is here.
Yeah. So it's just the top button that you need to press. Yeah. And.
So those are the only on and off of the whole system.
Yeah. And
plus
then
the vacuum table.
We have the vacuum table and we have that one. But if nothing is happening, it's probably because the emergency button is in.
Yep.
And that, considering we have the door here, it can actually sometimes get in. So yeah. So, but that one. So first step is to turn on that machine. Yeah. So if you press the button.
Oh, I thought we were gonna make a new G-code.
Yeah, we can do that. Yeah.
Yeah.
Let's do it to make it. That's a good idea. Let's do that.
I thought you wanted to be really serious.
I do.
So we make your down cutter plus up cutter idea slowly.
Yeah.
We're gonna make a crisp Wilson now. So let's go and do a new G code. How much time do we have, Hannes?
1 hour and 20 minutes.
Okay, let's go and do that.
Yes. Time well spent.
Because then
let's get learning.
Then I don't have to call Ludwig tomorrow when I'm gonna run the machine myself.
Yeah, that is good. I don't remember everything.
No. Me neither. You want to do the programming?
No, I prefer if you do it, to be honest. I think I also have some to learn from you when it comes to Fusion and cam profiles. So
it will come back to me. I did them a lot. So since Fusion 360 is so bright, I need safety glasses here for the brightness. I'm a machining operation. I'm cutting my hair tonight. I want to get back in a tie and suit like old engineers from the 50s Monday morning. I'm going to be in tie and suit the rest of the streams until the machine is done. I want people to take me seriously. Okay, Ludwig. So we're not going to, with the down cutter.
So basically we can keep most of it. It's just that we want to have set the leave, well, either leave material, but the
radially.
height or the height. Yeah.
So what we're going to do is that we're going to make sure that the down cutter isn't cutting through anywhere. So on this first operation, it's not cutting through, so we can leave that as it is with the down cutter. The second operation was this strange pocket. I don't see it highlighted here. Let's remove the preview. And this one went wrong. Do you know what I think we should do on this one, Ludwig? We should just increase, because it left a little bit there.
Yeah, exactly. I think that you need to include the circle path to that.
Either that or increase. You mean like this?
And then set the height to be.
Let's see how it reacts to that. It's annoyed with us now. Warning, we're not machine. There's too small to be reached. Oh, it doesn't like this. Is why I need to. I think I need to take stock to leave negative, so it cuts a little bit more than what we want. Because the tool is to. So where is stock to leave here? I think we can do a minus here. Ah, no. That didn't solve it. Should we remove that? This is a little bit strange thing, actually.
So I don't think that it knows that it's a hole there and that it's allowed to go outside that boundary.
Yeah.
So that's why, like, if you can make it so it thinks that the whole thing is one flat area.
Yeah. I did that with sketches always. So to do that, I went in and added another sketch, included the sketch, and used the sketch for.
Well, can we do that?
Should we try that? So if we go to design, I'm going to do a sketch. Wow, Fusion 360 here. I'm going to do project P. Did that work? Yes. And include this. Okay. Because now we have these sketches to choose.
But now we should also remove that line there,
the line
right?
in between.
Yeah.
Let me just try dragging them both in and see if that works. But I think then in the manufacturing space, we need to go back to the setup and include the sketches. Or are they already here? Body. One sketch now, and we want the body. Cancel. Let's go to that toolpath and see if we can use the sketches as they are. I thought I had to include them. I see, now we have the sketch there. I don't know if this will solve it. We have the same problem. I think this opening is too narrow. That's why it... Oh, I have an easy way to fix that. We can just fillet those edges.
But if you remove the other parts of it, this... Well, because if it had an issue with the...
Wait, you mean...
in the geometry of that.
In here?
Yeah, if you remove the other...
these? Ah, smart. I was trying to go too fast. There's still two chains. Yeah. I don't think you want to go through this opening. It's two, so let's just do a very quick... I think F for fillet. You could have solved it. I know how to do Fusion 360, I just realized.
Do you know how good you are at this?
And let's rerun this. Why is it setting out of date? So, okay, I need to go in and edit it and just say okay and then read it again. No, it's still not happy.
So if you do the sketch and you remove if you cut away the lines so it's only one area.
Let's go try that. We're learning here, everyone.
Yeah,
welcome
to the learning
screaming
channel.
at us because we're missing something very obvious.
No, they were screaming tabs, but I guess you fixed that.
X for construction line, right? Like that. Oh, tabs was a good one, Hannes. Tabs we also should do. So I make that a construction line with Fusion, and we're just pulling it like this. But then now I'm sketching before the fillet feature. Oh, that's annoying, Martin. So let's delete the sketch and make a sketch after the fillet feature. We should do tabs, actually, or...
I can show you my tab remover tool.
You have a tab remover tool.
Of course you do.
So I'm being a little bit smarter with this. And then it is true that the toolpath wants like clean sketches to use. Let's close that sketch off. I don't know why that is blue.
I'm about to explode here, Martin. Can I go to the Whiz palette?
Yes.
Thank you so much. I'll be right back.
It doesn't look like this sketch has...
Is it a construction line?
Wait, this needs to... But it doesn't look like it closed. Oh, this is a bit annoying. I wasn't prepared to...
But just take just make a projection from the top.
Of the whole thing.
Or just the top, at the top of the face. Yeah, if you...
Oh, I missed it. Thank you, Ludwig. Let's go into the sketch. I'm not in the sketch.
For me, this is a very much of a privilege because some people in chat might know that, like, when you watch somebody live, like play a game live on stream, and they don't see the ladder or whatever goal that they need to see or get to go ahead, and they're just stuck, and you can't do anything but like scream at the TV. When I scream at the TV, Martin actually hears me, so it's very privileged.
So look here, I don't have the edit I remember this from Fusion. I'm in some kind of mode, so I can't go into the sketch again here now. Like I can't. Can I make a new sketch?
The timeline down there, can you remove it from there maybe? Or...
Stay here. Make a sketch again. Okay, here we go. Here we go. So we project that little line there. That line, that line, that line, that line, that line. That should do it. But it doesn't turn solids. I don't know if this is healthy. I don't know why the assistant comes up here. It's annoying me. Although probably I need it. Let's do manufacture. Let's try for this one. Clear the selections, yes. Clear this, clear this. You see, it doesn't treat this. It's not a closed. Oh, this is annoying, Ludwig.
Yes.
This one is super annoying. First of all, let's make the fillet larger. I think that was one of the issues that we had before. So if
Can you just measure how far it is between those points?
I'm just going to maximize this, like this.
Yeah.
And perhaps already now...
It might work, yeah.
It might work if I just delete the sketch. We're going to try to make the toolpath from the face only first.
Mm-hmm.
Because it should.
And I see some new viewers have joined as well and wondering what we're doing today. And right now, Martin is getting very helpful tips from... I'm going to change out to this angle here. And I can't remove myself. Okay. Ludwig is there. That's what I wanted to show you. There we go. Ludwig is here today and helping Martin to get to know his new CNC machine.
Now it looks good though.
Yeah, I think that could work.
We have a warning, but the toolpath looks good.
Yeah.
So we don't really know what it's complaining about, but it's good. Yeah, we made 2 Wilsons on the new CNC machine, but now we're going to try to make a crisp one because we had a really frayed one. And not afraid, but frayed. And now we're going to do some luxury with a tool changer because we have crisp up and down cutters. So let's go to this operation. And first of all, I also want to do what I talked about, that we want to clear out these openings completely. Yeah. We should not do the contours. We're actually going to do them as pockets.
Yeah.
So it's a good safety thing. So we're gonna, or we can do the contour. We can save this for the for the up cutter. So new operation, pocket. Let's hide that. It's all getting back to me. This is absurd to revisit this. I think we can take both of these. What do I need to set? We need to turn the coolant off.
Can you also increase the ramping feed rate? You have that there.
Was it here?
Yeah.
Let's do 4,000.
Yeah.
Is it taking? If I didn't want to leave that. Okay, 4,000 is in. We also have the heights, because we want to. Now it's important that we don't cut through the bottom. So I can zoom in Fusion 360. My first Fusion 360 zoom. What do you say? 4 millimeters for leaving for the upcutter.
Yeah. How far is it for the last pocket there? Because you still want to have that. I think you can do. Let's do 3 millimeters.
3.
Yeah.
So, and these angles are also, so now you can see that the last path is not going through. We can do 2 actually.
Yeah.
Well, 3 is okay. So then we don't clear out the middle. Then we have a little annoying little thing left. That doesn't matter. Do you know the middle of the nose?
Yeah, but we could also do it with
a pocket with
a pocket for the last one.
For the last one, okay. So you see these spirals, everyone. This will cost you money if you're a CNC manufacturer. You would never have those. You would optimize this for speeds. I think it's the ramp spiral, which is here, I guess. It's a helix angle. So we're gonna do 15-degree angle, and you will see this spiral go much faster down, like that. But we want to do this in 2 passes. Now we're cutting the whole depth right away. So we're going to do what Ludwig did, which is, I guess, we're gonna remove that. Where is the maximum depth? Multiple depths.
Yeah, that's to make it go one step at a time.
Yes.
But then you have finishing height. I think you have.
This works.
This works.
This works. Now we're doing it in 3 passes instead of 1. How about the eyes? The eyes can be in here as well. I guess. Yeah. I just forgot choosing them.
And we can do the little tooth hole as well.
Okay, so the eyes doesn't cut because it thinks the tool is too big, I think. Something is stopping the eyes from being cut. It might be...
maybe it's because of since you use the spiral.
The lead-in, we should remove the spiral. We should do no lead-in. Is that it?
Yeah. Or leading and ramp are 2 different things. But let's try it like that. Let's see if it...
No.
So if you remove the ramp, I just want to see if that's it. So I usually go with a...
punch. Let's try. Yep, that works. Straight down. Is it okay for you too?
Yeah.
Yep.
Should be fine.
It's plywood. So good. I'm amazed how fast Ludwig learns stuff. I think it's because Ludwig understands the code behind it. Because you picked up this one day after getting the CNC working. Ludwig delivered a project to a big customer, and it looked like spectacular. So,
to be honest, I think I've used like 3 or 4 different CAM softwares to find one that worked, and this, like using it in the Fusion 360, is probably the more advanced one, but it's also the one that you get a lot more for free. So you have like being able to load all the tools that you have and have all the feeds and speeds already connected to that makes it a lot easier. But I thank you for your compliment.
Yeah. We're gonna do the same with this contour. We're going to make sure that we're not cutting through. We're doing 3 millimeters offset. I hope that lifted the tool paths. Let's see if it did. It did. That all looks spectacular. So we're not cutting the bottom, but we're gonna cut the last part of Wilson with another tool. So let's
Angle grinder.
let's now see if we have everything. We need to do it in a... So now we have some stuff that goes down. It's this contour, I guess. It's this contour. So we need to do that last, and we're gonna export that as a separate file. Then you can do folders here, Ludwig. So
Folders.
you can, and also...
But also you can change the tool now to a 6mm compression cut instead, if you go to edit.
Okay. I also just want to tell you... Wait 1 second. I don't know where... But a very nice way to do multiple is to pattern the toolpaths. So when you want to do 20 pieces, you're just patterning the toolpaths. You're not patterning... You're not making 30 of these. Yeah. Where is the patterning, actually? Never mind. Okay, now tell me what you told me.
Change the tool to be a compression or an upcut. If you
on this one?
Yeah.
Here, but it's not important, right?
Well, it might be. So if you press edit there or select.
Select.
Because since I did download, if you go to local library in the tree view, down.
Local. This one?
Or just press local. Yeah. And here. You want it's a flat end mill.
Can I search in here?
Yeah, on the left side.
Here.
Sorry, on the right side. On the right side. You see where you have all those little checkboxes? On the
here?
right. Yeah, down. So
first, now I'm with you. This is annoying for people to see me, but. Where are the metric ones?
And then if you go to diameter below the list of types.
Here.
Yeah, and you just write 6 millimeters. And then...
I think I'm on metric somewhere. Milling.
It should be...
I don't think it's important though.
If you press local up there.
Local.
There. Oh, that's so weird.
I don't think it's important. We're just running it slow.
Yeah, that's true.
It can use the same
it's
speeds.
Just it can actually tell the machine to stop, pause.
Oh yeah.
But yeah.
Ludwig wants to do it the proper way. I want to take the shortcuts. I don't know if that's good actually. So.
Did we find the simulation?
Not yet, but we need also to cut the outside.
Yeah.
So let's add the outside to this. So we're cutting everything off with one. No, we need...
Yeah, we want to do it in 2 different...
We want to do it last. So duplicate this. Here. Edit the new one. And we're going to change what we're cutting. Take all these off and just choose the outside and do that last. And here I don't think we should have multiple depths because we have already cut this. So I'm going to remove the multiple depths from the down cutter. Ludwig just left me on this.
Oh no, are you alone?
Yeah, I'm alone with Fusion 3.
I'm here. I'm here with you, holding your hand.
So Ludwig, I removed the multiple depths on the down cutter because we already cut the...
Yeah.
We already cut the outside of the thing.
You mean the up cutter, I guess.
Yeah, sorry. Yes. So there, I don't remember if the simulation was down here somewhere. Inspect, tool library, tool actions, simulate with machine. Is it this one? Oh no.
Nice.
Yeah, it's this. And then I can add the stock. This is actually really good to do. We can remove the speed here. Because if you... Like when you learn the toolpath to really watch what this thing is actually doing here in the simulation, Marius told me that spend more time simulating than working on the machine, because what you're seeing here is what's going to happen on the machine. There's like, so, but down here we have the speeds. Let's run it a bit faster. So here we are with the down cutter. Now I simulated all the steps.
Mm-hmm.
It goes on the outside tabs also, Ludwig.
Yeah.
We didn't do. This is the wrong order. So now I saw a mistake. We should do the pockets first. I did the outside. All right. So
it doesn't really matter that much as long as you cut out the thing at the end.
That's true. I just wanted to be
because we do want to change. We don't want to change the tool back and forth.
No. So we do these 4 in one file. Are we happy with these? I think we are.
Yeah.
So I'll post-process them.
Yeah.
Do you have the USB?
Isn't it that one?
I don't think so, actually.
Okay. I'll go and see if I
notice again.
So there is something called doing a Ludwig, which is randomly putting things that you need somewhere where you think, well, I can be very, the Swedish word is tankspridd.
Absent-minded.
Yeah, I mean...
ADHD much?
These are my car keys.
I think we should cut more into the wasteboard, Ludwig, if you're okay with that.
Yeah.
Because I think that makes it cleaner. Because when it's too close to the plywood edge,
absolutely.
It can fray a bit. If we want to really, I would love to cut much deeper.
I think actually it is that USB drive, but I'll go and check if
okay, but
it
if
in
you
there.
put it in, can you put it into the dongle here on the back side of the screen? We'll see if it's that. So I think the bottom height. I want to go under a whole millimeter if that's fine for you. That's awesome.
A millimeter.
Yeah.
Yeah, I mean, so we're gonna change this wasteboard soon anyway, and it's just a small cut. So yeah, go ahead.
Thank you.
Knock yourself out.
A whole millimeter he's giving me, Hannes.
Oh my goodness, what a day. It must be Friday.
So now you can see chat here, this blue line is a whole millimeter under Wilson there instead. I'm gonna go to this camera here just temporarily. No, let's do this
let's
one.
go to the full.
Just to see if we have the USB thing. It's another one, but perhaps that works too.
Let me quickly go and see if we left it in there.
I think it will work too. New folder with selection. I'm just gonna clean up that USB drive.
Oh, folders.
Sorry, I can't show them. It's a lot of pictures of my father here.
Oh, wow. Let's see. I can change. Oh, I missed him. Oh. I had Ludwig. He found the USB drive in the CNC room.
You found them?
Yes, we left it in the machine.
Okay. Can you put it in? Thank you.
What about the tabs? Chatter is
Oh,
saying
the
now.
tabs. Good chat.
Tabs.
What do you think, Ludwig, about the tabs?
I mean, so it's a little bit tricky one to make tabs in because it's a bit tricky to get to reach. But my tab remover has quite a small one, so let's try it.
I think here, but it is true that we actually don't. If I did a mistake, I sucked the sawdust out of the. But with the upcutter, all the sawdust is gonna throw out.
So with the upcutter, it's better to have tabs. Yes, absolutely.
And perhaps we can do a tab like here, like a broken pirate teeth.
That wouldn't really help.
I'm stupid. I forgot how this works. Because there is no material there for the tab. Okay, sorry.
No, but if you put it flat and on the teeth.
So on this last
so
contour,
not on the rounded parts.
No. I'm gonna zoom in for the tab action. Oh, look at this Wilson. So tabs. I remember that. Tabs. Boom. Thank you, chat. Chat is brilliant. And then this tab width is a bit big for Wilson. Let's do 4. I should see them change there. And I want them not on distance, but I want them manually.
Yeah, you just press where you want to have them.
But Why did it put one here that I didn't ask for?
Okay, if you do tab distance to 0, I think you might be able to.
Sorry, what did you say? Tab distance?
Yeah, put it to 0.
0. Thank you. You're so smart, Ludwig.
I mean,
Humble.
Even a broken watch shows correct time twice.
And humble. So now we have 2. How should we do 3?
Yeah, you want to have them in offset directions.
Like that. Remove this one. Oh, I remember this was hard to remove tabs. Do I have to?
With my tab tool remover, it doesn't really matter.
Yeah, he's building hype now.
The tab tool removed, the
Yeah.
tool tab. But I feel horrible for having them. Can I?
Yeah.
I wanna. Is it a cancel really? I've messed up. Messed up. Edit. Tabs. Thanks everyone for your patience.
It would be really funny if we now forgot to add tabs after messing up
I
again.
messed up. 3rd time's the charm, everyone. We're gonna add some tabs to this.
Here we go. It's Friday afternoon. It's all right.
Tabs.
Press the select one and then you press there.
Thank you. 1 there. 1 there. They're a little bit too wide now for my taste. Again, here. 4. And let's do OK. And now if we zoom out and visualize this tool path, we should see this little blue line skipping there. I think it's a little bit low, the tab. So let's go and do it a little bit chunkier. Oh, I actually remember now that it's much nicer to have a thin but a high. Like that.
And Jan Sme says
4 millimeters?
control left click. Is that for tab removal perhaps?
Okay, when someone comes with gold like that, it's a law of the streams
But
to
we also need
try
to
it.
remember that you're on a Mac.
Control left click. Nothing happened.
So command or alt?
We have to see. No. No. Okay. Let's not do that.
Let's not do it.
So we have 3 tabs. That looks good. Let's do a crisp wheels on everyone. I think we're ready.
Did you export it?
No. Do you agree we're ready?
Yeah, absolutely.
So
I
now
mean,
let's
it
see
looks-
that we have 4 operations in here. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, we can choose the operations in there. So we're gonna post this. I didn't get to name it.
Well, you didn't name it.
Okay.
You had the ample opportunity to do so, but
Wheels 3 down.
yeah.
Okay. Wheels 3 down. And let's double check. Yes. Okay. Post. And then I don't have to select them here anymore. I just go here and we select here. And we're gonna name this Wheels 3 up for upcutter. Happy?
Yeah.
Post. Exciting. Which camera are we on? That one.
That one is perfect. And here, like Null Persona says, the lore for the tab remover tool grows.
Indeed.
I have no idea what Hannes just said, but
Oh yeah. Oh, yeah. Sorry, Ludwig. They are doing building. They start talking about your tab removal tool. How much hype you're building
yeah.
for it.
The lore is
The
growing.
lore is growing. Go to folder. Is that in like the recent folder you saved something to?
Yeah. I
Wow.
mean, you can set where you want to save it, but I noticed it was there, so I...
Wow. Like, Ludwig showed me a shortcut to the folder you most recently saved something to. So useful. .nc, that looks good, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
We can actually remove the other two
Yeah,
just
okay.
so we
Yeah.
are not accidentally...
We have, everyone, we have a USB disk with some crisp toolpaths with tabs. With tabs.
Ooh, with tabs on
Yes.
them. Wonderful.
Is the volume of the machine good when I go down? I go down to like minus 54 during cuts. Is that good?
People haven't screamed in chat, so I guess it's good.
Okay. Good. Let's go.
Let's go. Let's head over to the CNC room where magic is gonna happen.
I really wonder what happens in the intermissions now when we're not on camera.
Hannes is taking. He's flexing his guns.
Always. And Martin with a donation and a comment. Tab
Right.
Slayer.
Tab Slayer. Oh yeah. Okay. So I'm going to. Good, Ludwig. Ludwig has.
I can take care of the camera if you want.
Yeah, I think I'm just gonna do it. Oh yeah, so you can go some close-ups perhaps.
Yes.
That would be great.
But don't frantically move the camera, please.
Okay, Hannes wants you to go really slowly.
Yeah.
So, the idea now, everyone, is that I'm going to do this operation all by myself. All by myself. That song we should do, actually. Carola's version is the best one. So, Ludwig showed me earlier on the stream, but when I go in here tomorrow, I'm gonna call Ludwig anyway. How was it that I did that? So I need to do the whole operation now. I have my design. I get into the CNC room. I wanna first turn the coolant on for the spindle. Good. I wanna turn the machine on. Good. Machine is on. I'm putting the USB drive into the controller. All X. Should I home it myself? Why isn't it?
Otherwise, it will think that that 0 is where it is. So you need to home it, and it will go to. There's some sensors, so it will basically run it until it feels that it stops. So
that's exactly what my whole machine did.
Yeah.
Like a 3D printer does before every print. Okay, it looks happy. Continue. Do you press through there?
So continue is actually a mode, which means that you have, if you hold X, Y, or Z buttons up there, it will continuously move in that.
Okay.
So
it's not a menu option.
No, I know it's very confusing, but yes.
Yeah. So then I'm putting the disk in.
Yeah, and now it might say that it's reading a USB drive.
It doesn't say yet,
no,
actually.
Sometimes it does, sometimes it doesn't.
Okay, but first I want to zero the machine to our coordinates.
Yes, and we need to put in a tool, because right now it's toolless.
Toolless. So which one did you want to use, Ludwig?
We want to start with a...
This is the down cutter?
So a down cutter has a...
spiral down?
Yeah.
This looks like an up... Wait. But, or did you know where it was?
It should be one of them there, because
But I only see one... Yeah, this is a down cutter, so we start with this. I turn it in and I hold the vacuum.
Yeah.
It released. Oh, nice, that's so fantastic. Now...
So, in case that it doesn't do anything, you need to increase some pressure into the vacuum or our air compression.
Okay.
And then there is a button there. So on the side, let me actually bring the camera very slowly, very carefully.
Oh, on this one?
Yeah. So it will sound very, very loud, but if you press it very quickly, the on-off button down there.
Hit this?
Yeah. Yeah, and then if it should be about 6 to 8 bars.
Nice.
But you need to fill it in every other day. Or
Can I run the machine now backwards, Y plus?
Yeah.
So Y plus is that direction?
That is true.
I do like that they put these stickers. It's actually helpful. And then X plus is to the right. First time controlling the machine. Fun, 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 fun. C minus I think is down. Can I run two at the same time? I can. So, and did you check this by hand then, the sea height?
I did.
Because that's also what I used to do. So you just click it like this?
Yeah.
Where do we want to run it, by the way? We want to run it.
So I wouldn't move it so much XY direction when it's so
when
low
it's down.
down.
No, okay.
So do the set height first. It's fine.
I go.
So go. Yeah.
This is good, right?
Yeah.
I had like a switch on my other machine to make it go a little bit faster. Because this takes a lot of time. Are we getting close? Ah, this feels like France, but without the donkeys.
We're back, everyone.
You had donkeys in front? Oh.
I had donkeys on the fields. I'm happy with the sea height.
Yeah. Then you press C equals 0, top right, I think. Also, yeah, that one.
Oh, nice. I have coordinates here. Okay. So now the machine knows where we want the job done. I
would go up.
I can remove the tool from the surface. Now I want to find our. I'm going for run.
Yep.
Please wait for reading flash disk. Oh no. This is the one that worked before.
Yep.
No, this is
excitement.
So to try unplugging it and replugging it. It has been a little bit finicky, but it's.
Select work file, UDisk file.
Yeah. And if it says there's no drive or disk drive, it means that.
There is no item, no.
Yeah. So then press remove it again and plug it in.
Okay, this is mega annoying.
I never had that much issues before, and I wonder if it's.
Flash disk okay, it says here all of a sudden. So run. UDisk file. Yeah, we're in. We're in, everyone.
Woo!
And the arrows. Okay, the arrows. Yeah. Wilson folder. We're entering that with OK.
Yep.
And then we have Wilson down. I don't know why there's a 4 here.
It's a way of showing file names. It's really weird, but it basically tells it there's 4 more characters that it doesn't want to show, and that is why I always number it in the start of the file name.
Smart. I'm going to select that one, but it's not going to run yet, right?
No, you can press OK.
I press OK. We have the speed scale. I want to actually go down and change the speed scale.
Exactly. So you go down.
Where do I change the values?
So when it's selected, you press the run button, which also says delete or something. Yeah, that one.
Can I then change?
Yeah. Now you enter numbers. As you can see that the buttons.
I have a little.
Yeah, the buttons. The up and down is 1 or.
So 0, 6.
Yeah.
0, 6. No.
No. There's a dot as well, I think. So press the remove.
Delete.
Yeah.
Okay, 0.6.
Yeah.
This is super nice. Thanks everyone for helping me with this 0.6. Okay.
Yeah. And now
speed scale 0.6. Or maybe we should do it 0.4 now.
Yeah, actually I think we can go down a little bit.
Run pause.
Yeah.
It's like enter.
Yeah, or delete the value or edit the value button.
0.3.
Yeah.
We're gonna run this Wilson really slow because we want to have a crisp one.
So the numbers above where it says 50,000 and 40,000, those are also extremely high.
Yeah.
So this is probably quite a reasonable speed.
You want to do 0.2?
No, that's we can also go down in speed while it's running.
Should we run this?
Yeah.
So what do I press then?
If you're happy, you press. It's going to start the countdown. But what we want to do first is that we want to lower the hood.
Oh, the
Yeah, and it's right now it's basically almost so loose so that it automatically.
that's really dangerous.
Yeah. So this machine is great, but when it comes to the dust hood, it leaves a bit more to the. There is also another way, but we can do that. We can talk about
Okay.
later. So
I'm gonna run the vacuum, the dust
Yeah.
collector,
So
and soon I'll change my mic.
yeah.
Yeah,
So if
thank
you flip
you.
that up,
Yep.
and then there's the green button underneath. Yeah.
All right, everyone. I'm gonna remove my mic, and you're muting yourself, or reduce my mic.
There we go. Thank you. Good. Our ears are happy.
Okay.
Let's see if Martin succeeds.
Yeah. It's spinning. It's gonna come to. It's on the wrong spot, right? Cancel.
Oh, that's fine. But
No, but Wilson is not going to be on the thing. It's fine.
Looks fine. Okay.
this is window speed. And you can hear that since we're running so slow, we also need to have it running quite slow. So now it's on 2.
Okay.
This one, this one is the speed of the program.
Okay.
So when you set it to 0.3, if you want to go up, you can press up here, and then you can never go quicker than 1. So you usually want to have it run slower.
Okay.
So far, so good.
It's crisp.
It's crisp. Let's see if Ludwig can get a good angle there.
Yeah, it's Ludwig is making the angle.
Yeah.
Is it good?
You need to give him props. He's a good cameraman.
Ludwig is doing a good angle.
Yeah.
Hannes likes your
He's smooth and stable.
Hannes likes your angle, Ludwig.
You can also feel now how much the floor is vibrating, and that is why we built this soundproofing floor.
Ask Ludwig to zoom in a bit on Wilson.
Can you zoom in a bit, Hannes asks.
Lovely, thank you. Oh, wow. Underneath there's magic happening.
Should I raise the hood a little bit so we can see Wilson a little bit better? I can do it now, right? Yeah.
Okay, there we go.
A crisp Wilson
Ludwig to the rescue.
appears.
And it's not the machine that is wobbling, it's the floor that the camera stand is on. Look at that, that looks beautiful.
So as you can tell, we're going really slow this time.
Mm-hmm.
Probably slower than we need to.
But we want this to be good. 3rd time's the charm.
Yeah.
It looks great. How does it feel, Martin? Exciting?
Yeah, it's really exciting. I mean, It felt like the Mar Machine X project started when we made the CNC videos from Brenne. And now we're at that moment again, you know?
Yeah, we back. Plywood is being cut on the Wintergatan YouTube channel. How about that?
Ludwig is gonna come in and cut Wilson's hair here.
Oh, hairdresser Ludwig. Wow, he's awfully close.
He doesn't fear.
He has no fear. Look at that man. No fear.
So yeah, this is taking way longer than before.
It's nice. The best kind of slow TV.
Ludwig, can we find the upcutter? I don't see it. Because I see no 6mm here. I think we changed it for this one, right? Oh, and right then we're done.
So if you move it now y-axis. If you hold the y-axis, yeah. And then I 3D printed and designed this one, so you can just take it off.
Ooh. Smart. Looks really good. Okay, so now we're gonna change the tool. We're gonna find the upcutter. Okay, let's go back to the normal sound. We're gonna have buttons for this, Hannes, on the stream deck soon.
Yep.
Eventually, Hannes will be able to mix the audio with a button press from
Yep.
the other side of the country. We're not there yet, right yet. So now we did everything on the top side of the plywood. Now with a tool that cuts down into the plywood, which is not fraying the plywood. And now it's not called fray, it's called burnout. What is it called in English? Chat, help me. Tear out. Is it
Tear out?
Yeah, tear out. Or I mean, it's on metal. I know it's called like you use a deburring tool.
Yeah.
Like so, maybe it's burring as well. I don't know.
Burr on metal, yeah, but tear out.
I got a great comment on Ludwig here.
Okay.
From Real Joachim, who says, great set of hair, great set of skills, no fear, what a man.
So the chat says about you, Ludwig, great set of hair, great set of skills, no fear, what a man. It was when you were vacuum cleaning close to the tool.
I mean, to be honest, I don't know if that was visible on camera, but I had like a really big vacuum cleaner hose, so it's not like I'm there with my fingers, but you do need to have respect for these type of...
I thought Ludwig has been on the internet for long enough to know that safety trolls are a big army. So we're looking for the upcutter to finish this off and to hopefully have a perfect Wilson. I'm gonna go get the other Wilsons so we can compare, because I think you brought them into the studio, right?
Yes, I did. So, and I did find the... Well, I think you brought them in, but yes, they are in there.
Okay. Hold the fort, Ludwig.
I'll hold the fort. I can also... I remember last week when I was visiting the stream, I told them that I was going to go get a haircut. That didn't really happen. Yeah, maybe if Martin is also going to get his haircut and walk around with a Italian suit, maybe I'll do the same. We're actually doing a event for a big streaming company next week, so maybe not, but who knows.
Right, so we're just gonna have some Wilsons for comparison here to see if we can do it better.
Terrific.
So, by the way, Martin.
Yes.
As you can see on the side there, we managed to rebuild the holder for all the sheets.
So
here's a PSA for Martin, which is please do not put in non-long, like shorter than full length sheets in that, because then they will disappear into the void.
That looks fantastic. We should show people what you're talking about, but let's finish this. That's a really well done there, Ludwig.
Look at those 3 wheelstones.
Let me try this. So I'm gonna hold the tool. It's a bit scary to hold the spindle when the machine is on, but I'll get used to that. And I'll put in the new tool if the...
So what I usually raise the hood all the way, just to make sure that it's not running.
Yeah.
Because yes, but I've never seen it automatically just start on its own. So I think you're quite safe to remove the tool.
Yeah, I'm gonna move the machine, Ludwig.
Yeah.
So please be careful. I'm now gonna set this the 0. And the cool thing is that if you measure this before, you can add this
into the program.
Into the program. So the step now with this tool changer, this step I'm doing now, we don't actually have to do when we work a lot with the machine. Like on the video from with the big gear from Örnsberg, Tobias had all his tools measured. So I'm going to find 0 with the C here.
I actually tried once to make sure that the tools were at the same height, but that meant that I had it out quite a bit on one of them. And if you wonder why there's letters on the spoil board, it's because that tool got lost and started to work its way down. So do not press that one, but that one.
No, yeah, if I press XY, we're lost.
Yes.
Yeah. So this one, I'm gonna 0 that, and then I'm gonna lift. Oh, this all comes back to me now, Hannes. I'm gonna lift it up. And now we're going to go into the... Should we actually show... Are you seeing this on the close-up, Hannes?
Yeah, kinda. I see the menu.
I can zoom in.
So now I'm going to look for my second file, which is, I forget how I get into finding the files menu, Ludwig. What do I press?
What do you think you want to press?
Is it menu?
No.
I think it was run pause.
That is correct.
It feels like it's gonna run.
No, don't worry.
So yes, we want a UDisk file. Okay, we're in here. I want to go back to the Wilson folder.
Yep.
And now the top one we already did. So now we're gonna do this program with the tabs to please everyone in chat. So when I choose OK, it's not gonna start running.
It will not.
And then we're happy with all this. I'm gonna hit run pause.
Yes.
And the spindle will start.
What we want to do no. So press OK. That's the edit the parameter value. So press OK.
Okay.
So this is what. But when we have started, since we're running it at a lower speed, you will want to turn down the spindle there, the speed of it. To 2. You need to do that when the program is started.
Okay, you can do that.
Yeah.
Because I'm used to edit all the speeds in Fusion 360, basically.
Which is so the thing is, if you run this at full speed, that is what the Fusion 360 is set for. The problem, since we run it right now at 0.3 of the max speed,
I see.
The spindle is going to go much quicker, and then there's going to be friction, and that makes the screaming sound. So that's why we need to do that after we started but that's fine. Just press OK now, and then the spindle is going to start to spin.
You'll do that. Okay, I hand this to you actually, Ludwig.
Yeah.
You do I'm gonna start a vacuum and lower my microphone. Good luck, Wilson. Godspeed on this spacewalk here.
Multitask Ludwig right now as well. Camera and controller.
Oh, I'm sorry on the sound, I was slow.
Thank you. And Wilson is at the dentist.
Oh, you see the little thing there? jumped out. The thing that we didn't remove. It's fine. The little detail that we didn't do a pocket on the upcutter. It's fine. Yeah, I think next step is the tab remover tool. Ludwig has been
hyping.
So you can see now that he has blue eyes.
That's because we're down on the MDF. Here comes a tab. Right there. Good. Oh, nice.
Oh, wow. Wow, Martin is going in with the vacuum. Oh my goodness.
Oh, it's done. Okay, Hannes, a way for you to adjust my volume is going to be kick gas.
Yep.
This is so fun, everyone. It's let's see, x y minus. Whoa, wrong way. So I think it's soon time for Ludwig's tab removal tool.
Finally.
What we've all been waiting for.
Well, I mean, you, Martin, knows the company that I really love right now. Hashtag not sponsored.
Vivor?
Yes.
Oh, that's the tab removal tool.
So.
Wait for it, Ludwig. I'm going to set up the angle. If the.
I must say that it is a little tight, but I think it's going to work.
All right.
I wonder if I have smaller teeth.
So I always do it with the stem yarn.
Yeah, that's.
No, okay, we're gonna do. Okay, his. No,
Okay.
Expectation management. Oh, under promise, over deliver. It doesn't. Says who, right? Says who.
Oh, wow.
Okay, we're gonna go and get a real tab removal. This, I think we need a stem yarn, Ludwig. No?
No.
Okay, we're looking for.
Smaller.
You have smaller blade? Okay. Ludwig has some kind of thing like this. I think it's a good idea with a smaller blade, actually, because sometimes with the stem yarn, what is that called? It's the oldest woodworking tool in the world. No. The stem yarn. Chisel.
Oh, okay. You beat me to it.
With the chisel, I always use a chisel. We did that to remove the tabs. And you can have tear-outs from the chisels. So if we want a perfect Wilson, I think this is a good idea. Wilson looks pretty crisp. I should get some sandpaper, actually. Oh, we shouldn't do the sanding. We want to see how the tool paths changed without sanding.
Excitement.
Yeah. So we're waiting for Ludwig, but that's fine because I have to Ludwig is basically just doing all this out of his kindness of his heart. So I'm repaying him right now by having the fun to try his tool on the task.
Yeah. That's the way we do it. That's a transaction right there.
This is the paycheck for Ludwig today here.
And while we wait for Ludwig, why not thank all the wonderful backers that are supporting us on these marvelous adventures through YouTube memberships and through Patreon. And
so unfortunately,
Twitch as
after the big sewage leak of 2026, I can't find my spare, like the blades that I think, because I think I have a smaller blade as well, but usually I make my blades.
A chisel is perfect.
Big, so
let's take this one. Yeah. And I think we can, it's only 3 millimeters.
These are super sharp.
Oh,
so
we have
be
protection on them.
Be careful.
Yeah. All right, do you have the nice little angles? I'm just going to do with my hands because it's only 3 millimeter plywood. Got it. Perhaps I should actually use a...
No, I mean, it's very sharp on the sides, so don't, as long as you don't cut yourself.
Yeah. All right. Yes, it's super crisp. We did the good work here, Ludwig. So here's the front, and here's the back.
Wow.
So to compare,
this was the one when we went too fast. Do you have this in sharp, Hannes?
Yep.
So here both sides went kind of bad, but the one with only the back side bad was this one. So I'd say the front side here is identical, but here's the...
Could you move them a bit to your right? There we go.
Here?
Yeah.
So the fun thing is though that had we gone down as much as we did on this,
yeah,
this one would have been probably fine with the down cutter.
Because we went too close to the... But also,
yeah.
I think we also have some flex in the wood here.
Yeah.
So we're not using... Perhaps we should have run the vacuum table to keep the... Even though we have such a small, we should have run the vacuum table as well, perhaps.
It could have made a little bit difference, but with a piece like this, it does need quite a lot of surface area to make sure it's...
So now we can make the perfect end screen. If you take this, we can end the stream like this.
Yes.
Yeah.
Nice.
Okay, this was fantastic. Thank you, Ludwig.
You're very welcome.
For being such an amazing MVP of this operation, helping me with all this.
I'm really happy to get to help you with one of the more fun episodes, and it's yes. I mean, just to see you smile again, considering the spreadsheet drama, I'm happy to be here.
Let's go into the studio and wrap this one up, Hannes. What do you say?
Yeah, fantastic. What a day!
We began this morning by building the marble dropper for the thing, and now I have been giving the superpower. Where do we finish? We finish here, maybe?
Yeah, in the big one.
I've been giving the superpower of the CNC machine, so yeah, we don't have any lights in front of here. We can't go here. That's annoying.
There we go. Perfection.
So yeah.
It's been a wonderful day.
I'm gonna set a nicer image for the outro.
Yeah, and we updated.
If you stand here, I can do that instead.
Quite a little.
It's usually what I work with.
You can do it, Ludwig, but I want to do it.
Okay, fine. But that means that you need to have me as some...
Yes, it's perfect. You're a model now. Except this is not zooming. This is doing something else. Oh, yeah. Alfons said the zoom was stuck on this one.
No, there's a switch at the front.
Okay, you do it.
Yeah.
Okay, he got it right.
Okay, you do the outro, Hannes.
I'll do the outro, okay? I want to thank everyone who's been watching this
Who
day.
taped
It's
this?
been a fantastic day. We updated the streaming setup. Martin continued to build his wonderful vibraphone prototype. And most important of it all, Ludwig came with the aid and teaching Martin how to use the new CNC machine. We saw something being cut in plywood on the Wintergatan YouTube channel. That was fantastic. So we will see you all next week. Have a wonderful weekend, everyone. Take care. Bye.